So this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Windows 10 taskbar. Yes, this taskbar right here, down here, guys, you can customize this actually. So for example, let's say if you want to change the color and transparency of your taskbar, okay, just come here, right click here, and then we want to go to our settings, okay, we want to go to personalization, right? So I'm going to click on system. Okay, I'm going to click on system, and then we're going to see all the different options we have for settings. Okay, we're going to look for personalization. Okay, search here, personalization settings. Okay, and then we're going to choose theme and related settings. Okay, now guys, what you want to do is go down, and then you see this option right here, guys, taskbar, right? You want to click on taskbar, and then look at all the different options, guys, we have. We can hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Okay, if you want it to automatically disappear each time, you can lock it in place. You can change it so it actually appears, let's say instead of the bottom, it appears on the right side. Look guys, it's going to change to the right side. I can put it back at the bottom. You can change the color and stuff. You can change it on the multiple displays and options like that. Literally, there's a lot of options, guys. You can toggle on transparency options. There's many different things we can do, guys. Oops, I guess I put it back to the top. I'm going to put it back down here. So there's a lot of things you can do. If you want to change the desktop taskbar color, you can do that as well. You can change the colors. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So you just come here, click on colors, right? Click on colors, and then here you can choose your dark mode, your accent color, your Windows color. So the accent color we show on the following surfaces: your start, taskbar, and action center. You choose this. Okay, click on this, and then now I'm going to show you. I'm going to see it's already changed. I'm going to choose a different accent color. I'm going to choose red. Guys, look, it literally changed. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below your thoughts. Let me know if this video helped.